In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Progressive Insurance customer service. Whether you have a question about your policy, need help with a claim, or just want to know more about their services, reaching out to Progressive's customer support team is easy and straightforward. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by going to Progressive's website to manage your policy. If you're already a customer, this is where you'll have access to all your policy details and can quickly find the support you need. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Progressive homepage. Once there, look for the option to log in and manage your policy. This is usually prominently displayed, making it easy for current customers to access their accounts. You'll want to click here, and once you're logged in, you're well on your way to getting support. Keep in mind that having your policy details on hand can make the process a bit faster. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to find and click on Contact Us. Typically, you'll find this link at the top or bottom of the web page. Often, it's nestled in amongst other helpful links, so keep an eye out for it. This is a key resource hub for getting in touch with their team for any assistance related to your policy, payments, or claims. The Contact Us page is designed to provide you with all the information you might need, including several options for reaching out. Once you're on the Contact Us page, you'll see 3 options to choose from. You can chat now for real-time assistance, call them directly as they offer 24/7 support, or choose to send an email if your query isn't urgent and you prefer a written communication. These options are created to cater to various customer preferences and needs. For immediate issues or questions, the chat or call options might be your best bet. The Chat Now feature is excellent for quick questions as it connects you to a representative ready to help. On the other hand, calling allows you to speak directly with a customer service agent who can guide you through more complex issues. And if neither of those options suits your current needs, you can always send an email, which is great for detailed inquiries or when you need a written record of the interaction. Lastly, as you browse the Contact Us page, look for any highlighted sections. These are often helpful tips or important notices that might address your issue immediately without the need to reach out. Progressive's website is quite user-friendly, and these highlighted sections are there to make your experience as smooth as possible. That's it. You now know how to effectively contact Progressive Insurance customer service. Each method available is designed to support you with your unique questions or needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you feel more confident about reaching out to Progressive.